umwemsi obugusero ereiga bolt out, he is not willing to work with them.
Nobu amate bwa nere nakibore
mbosarigete
asiki
nero decide
narenga lasi agateba egento nuko kubulia magendero utaraikira
MCA ta kubuli muchumbe magendero MCA gwente ko korigente ko rukuna ko oversight umuntu ko rukwe governor. That is his work inche na and number 2 yes. I have a work plan inche nkobwatia work plan tindi kobwatia rhetorics chio mo MCA utari ku understand yegasio muchumbe negasio mo MCA so na ntini gutaka nairaniria umuntu uta understand tie role yae noche body korengereria mna kondama na kungainereria bintu lakini ntoche tororekeregie chikura ntoche torore. Na 2022 let me tell you something, this same MCA agacha sina bwato mukutano agatema ko severani mukutano tu awate in 2022 during elections yes. Aro mo MCA aspirant ODM nde ODM lakini ocha otema gusalia mukutano ne. Do you know what happened? Iga bantu ya endeti up akaruaniwa agaitwa lakini naende akaenda gusalia rietariane buna ninche na murwani. But I can tell you even the polling station area gwake kura bado ninche na atanganete. So the problem he has is that igata ete moe projects within my constituency. I have no way of giving projects. Chipare chinkogotebi, I have no way. I'm not the procurement officer. Chipare chiko procured na Kenya Rural Roads Authority. Yes. So I have no way. He has tried to push my CDF projects. I have no way. I don't sit in the procurement committee ya CDF. I don't influence umonto okorokwa a fund manager. And another thing I need to tell you, a fund manager in my constituency no moirwe president yense. Omoirwe president yense. Igoroche ni inchi komo twist na ngero monto e project. Ekeronanga manganayu nalia chaka kondama na ende no muntu tasigeti aba menyi bonsi babo getu chache south igacha ete mono abali vale border abaruroche bali tokubwatera na vale border igacha ete abantu bali baruete chinsa mu chinde cheisiko chiagusi bagacha komenya kitutu chache south igako barama igako bachaya igako bagua pake basari tunakoba so ekerengo chana motebi no bwente kora iga chenchia na kiki ago chondamera lakini tindi gutakana kwanera igoro yo mo MCA na bwate gasiae na injini bwate gasiane igo egentora orache komanyera nani ndio msema kweli ni 2027
yes.
No gocha komanyera ningogotebe kene ningogotebe obulimo.